I'm personal injury attorney Neil Shouse. Our firm represents victims injured by hernia mesh device failure. Many of these injuries have been devastating: perforated bowels, intestinal obstruction, infections, ulcers, organ damage, and chronic pain. People ask me, if I'm the victim of one of these failed hernia mesh devices and I file a lawsuit, what kind of money damages am I entitled to? And the answer is potentially 5 types of damages. I'm going to talk about those here. Number 1, compensation for all of your medical bills, including revision surgery. Number 2, lost wages, lost income, and lost career opportunity. Number 3, future lost wages. Number 4, pain and suffering. And number 5, in many cases, punitive damages against the manufacturer and their distributors. If you've had the misfortune of a hernia mesh device failing on you, we invite you to call us and tell us your story. We'll see what we can do to get you all of these damages.